In front of me is OPPO K13x, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by opening your keyboard and hitting Clipboard at the top of it. Then use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it, and go back thanks to this arrow at the top left one. Following that, copy or cut any text, and to paste it right away, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, but within an hour, click on Clipboard and tap on your text over here. If you want to paste it after an hour, you need to pin it or it will disappear. To do that, hold it and use pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. Now to delete it, you can either swipe it to the right or hold it again and tap on delete button. To disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!